How to contact Shein customer support through the app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily contact Shein support through the app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, launch the Shein application on your device. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. And here, once you are in your profile, simply tap on customer service. And this will take you to the page with frequently asked question. Now here at the bottom right of the support page, simply tap on customer service. And after that, you'll enter the page where you can enter your query in the chat box. And if the automated response don't resolve your issue, you can tap on contact an agent to connect with a support customer representative. Now, Shein customer service chat operates from Monday to Sunday, 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. So the response times may vary depending on the volume of inquiries. But alternatively, you can reach out via mail at service@shein.com or through their social media handles or platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. And that's it. That's how you can contact Shein customer support through the app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.